Earl finally talked Louise into an afternoon out on the boat. Are you sure, she said, that little thing is big enough to float? Earl assured her that it was, said me and the dog go all the time. Well, Louise looked at him and said, you know, Earl, his ass ain't as big as mine. They were finally ready to leave the dock. The sun was shining bright. They had plenty of boat grub and boat drinks. If need be, they could spend the night. Earl said, darling, cast off that bow line so that we might get underway. She just looked at him with puzzled eyes, and then he heard her say, there you go again, with all that boat talk, all that nautical mumbo jumbo. The Queen Mary, this is not talk to me in English here, or this too will end. Not all that boat talk, save it for your friends. Well, the afternoon was going well. Heck, she even caught a fish. Yes, things were going splendidly, about as good as he could wish. So he said, let's secure the deck and make the boat ship shape. Then we'll get our bearings and plot a course to that island around the cape. We'll make a westerly approach, and once on the leeward side, we'll idle up close to shore, mindful of the ebbing tide. Then we'll throw the hook, make it fast, being sure of ample scope. She just looked at him like he was the world's biggest dope. You know, Earl, you're never gonna get it, are you? There you go again, with all that boat talk, all that nautical mumbo jumbo. The Queen Mary, this is not talk to me in English here, or this too will end. Not all that boat talk, save it for your friends. No, none of that boat talk, save it for your friends. Louise, I think it's high time you started showing due respect for my station in life. After all, I am the captain of this ship. And furthermore, let's have no more disparaging remarks about my boat handling skills. That pier had too many pilings anyway.